Hi guys, for today's video I am going to show you on how to drop service on Fiverr. So for those who doesn't know yet what is the meaning of drop service, it's like you will be doing a certain task or a certain job, but instead of you doing it, someone will do it for you. So let's say for example here, because I am here in Fiverr website right now, most of the gigs that are in demand are like graphic design, NFT creatings like that. So for example, let's try to find here some video or animation categories. For example, let's just check the services offered here in Fiverr. So wait, yeah. Yeah, for example here, gigs that you might like. So you will see here a lot of services being offered in Fiverr. Let's say for example, I will edit caption for your Instagram, so they charge for $15 like that. I will edit your Instagram reel, so they charge for $100. So let's say for example, the task or the category or the service that you want to do is also editing Instagram reels or editing caption for Instagram. So you will see it here already that the rate is $100 or $15. So what you're going to do from the word drop service is that you can try offering your service here in Fiverr, and then you try to make your service fee a little higher. Let's say for example this starts with $15, so you can say that you can start from $25 for editing a caption for Instagram. And another thing is, once you already posted your service here in Fiverr, or the work that you can do here in Fiverr, now you're going to find some websites, or you will find suppliers that will do the work for you. So the websites that you can use are Upwork. We have also like JobStreet. Okay, so we have Upwork. Oh, where's my Upwork? Yeah. Upwork like that. And we also have the Job Street. Okay, so there's a lot of website wherein you can find freelancers or people who can do the job for you. So for example, like what I've mentioned, on your Fiverr service, you charge for $25 for editing an Instagram caption or editing an Instagram reel. So once you posted the price already for $25, now it's time for you to look for people who are going to do the work for you, but you will not pay them for the $25 amount. And you know what I mean, right? So let's say, for example, from the $25 amount that you charge for Upwork service, you can just look for people here in Upwork wherein you can just charge like maybe $5 or $10 per, how do you call it, for the service that they will do, like editing the Instagram caption or Instagram reels, right? So that's what we call about a drop service here in Fiverr. In short, you will post a service that you will do, and then you will add some a certain amount of money for the service that you will do, and then you will just look for people or suppliers who will do the work for you, but less than the amount that you offer on Fiverr. Okay, so that's how drop service on Fiverr works. So thank you for listening, guys, and thanks for watching. Bye.